Okay, this one is iPhone 13 Pro Max Master High. Gonna do like fully parked out. Yeah, so we're gonna tear out the iPhone 13 Pro Max Gold. So look at him. He's the best. Doesn't need a heat gun at all. You don't need heat gun.
No.
This is the master. You better learn how to do like him.
Sorry, we didn't let it.
So you a little heat.
Yep.
You're gonna use a little heat and then
Gonna use but not perfect.
Chưa tập đi chơi cứ quấn lộn hoài. Trời ơi.
sorry, we do a video right now. So we do a YouTube video. So can you try sit down and try for 10 minutes?
Okay.
I do 15 minutes for you already.
So open everything up, okay? Open everything and then we use the battery later. So we make a complete video separation, everything. Nice. 13 Pro Max, teared out by Master Hải. Where you live, Hải?
I work.
No, I mean in Sài Gòn, gần chợ lớn, ông mới làm phone từ
No,
hồi 12
man.
tuổi.
I'm Ho Chi Minh City like quận nhất, man.
Quận nhất. Tiệm là ngay cái cống đó, chỗ tiệm lớn nhất á. Okay, the biggest store in Ho Chi Minh City. The master come here. He do everything.
Không có vậy. Tưởng không có hả?
Wow, see, it's open now. Damn, that battery is huge.
No,
Wow.
breaking the seal, okay?
Yeah, the seal's still there. See that? He not use heat gun, so the seal very good, stay the same. You can open without breaking the seal and put it back. It's still waterproof. Okay, if you use heat gun too much, the seal gonna move out. So this is how you open iPhone 13 Pro Max without breaking the seal. So let me show you how we separate everything. Now we remove the LCD. Nice. Damn, that battery is huge.
Yep.
Battery will last long years. Battery gần bằng Tesla battery. This battery is huge. That's why no one can sell that. And been this one, the battery of iPhone 13 Pro Max probably 150.
What the hell?
Yeah. When the part supply, they're gonna sell like 150. It's huge battery. Battery 11 Pro Max are 80, okay?
Right?
Yeah. It's battery expensive. Wow, see the screen, iPhone 13 Pro Max LCD. Put it in.
Come with the fake ID.
Come with Face ID.
Yeah.
Wow, in there. Now, take out the camera. Oh, ai đi chợ bị thua đó chịu nha.
Hi, Vũ.
Oh, okay. 13 Pro Max. Okay, wow, that camera is huge. Man,
Quá bự.
there's everything Apple make it start getting bigger.
More big.
Man.
That's why they say
Yeah, that's why the
welcome
lens
to
is
America.
huge, huh? Okay, now we remove the camera. Yeah, this one very challenging when you remove the LCD. If you're not professional, man, you're gonna break the LCD. When LCD is so expensive, probably $500. Man. Okay, now he opened the camera for you guys to see. Nice. Let me see the camera. Wow.
Put in the
big.
lens, okay?
Nice. Huge camera, bigger than the 12, bigger than the
Okay.
11 Pro Max. This camera probably can sell for 400 right now. No one sell that. That's a nice camera. Ooh, my baby. Nice camera. Okay, camera done. Screen and camera. Now we're gonna open the battery next. Okay, he removed the. Hai thằng đang làm YouTube. Okay, now we open the battery. So to open the battery without heating up the seal. So I think you're gonna get maximum 10 point today.
No. Chưa chắc không đâu mẹ. Biết đâu là có chớn ăn luôn sao?
You never know,
Okay.
cool.
Okay. Let's see. Wow, that's guy good. Okay. You have to be slowly so you don't
Chơi đâu có dư thân phải không?
mess up the battery. See that? Ooh, nice. Nice. Ooh, professional. One tape out.
Just let two. And then in the head we hit a little bit.
Oh, okay.
That's why I come out with nice
So the
battery.
top one, second tape.
chú nó mất tiêu mà Hải nè.
Dạ hôm qua khách mới dồn với lại đi vợ nó gọi mua đồ ăn cho con anh.
Rồi, chạy mua rồi ăn, chạy mua xong rồi về cho nó ăn thôi chứ.
Nó hôm qua giờ nó thương nó.
Rồi.
Về đây em cho anh. Về đây anh ơi, về bên em. Lâu lâu giờ thương bữa lần đầu chạy quá trời. Okay, now we hit in the back and remove the big battery out. It's very big now. That's why it lasts super long, almost double the iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's why Apple sell a lot of phone, huh? Yeah, they make hella good. Look, the inside is so slick.
Hay quá. Son. Long shot.
Give me 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Hay quá.
Yeah. Almost done with this.
Almost.
Okay.
Just barely.
Okay, now the battery, and we just need to take out the logic board, and we're done. So this video bringing from Do Repair. So you guys need any tool, any part, it's on the website at the bottom. Okay. So now we just need to remove the logic board out.
Này hơi bị căng. You have to remove it first.
Yeah, need to remove the that the earpiece or what?
Earpiece với lại cái
That's
camera.
earpiece.
Dạ.
And face camera.
Cái này cái phone thôi nó gãy cái chốt. One, two, three. Remove it with glue. Careful, remove it. Okay. One.
Hey, you know how to uninstall the apps? You know how to uninstall your app? Yeah, can you delete some app that you don't need and restart the phone? Okay. You probably get virus in there, that's why. Just delete some app that you don't need and clear all the cache. I already changed the battery, I already changed the screen, I changed everything already. So that's the only thing left is your software that you get virus. It's not my fault. Master High working very delicate. Now we have to remove the logic board slowly so it won't cut the cable. Wow.
Chết đi kìa.
What? 2020 day. Okay, almost this one. He took a front facing camera out.
Hay quá, 21, 21. Yep. Ôi. Hay quá. And
Good. It's good, man.
pretty good, pretty good.
One game already?
Yep.
Dang. Oh yeah, that's iPhone 13 Pro Max logic board right there. Let me show closer. Damn. A15 chip, okay. And now we're done. So fully take it off, everything. Now just the housing and the camera left. Look at this. Okay, thank you, you guys. So if you guys like, leave us a like, subscribe to the channel. And this is Master Hai. He's from Saigon. He the well-known in Saigon. Everyone know him. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye for now.